Creating captivating visuals is everyone's dream, but how is it possible to write a well-descriptive prompt without particular styles? Today, I present 6 additional intriguing styles for your experimentation. Simply append these styles to your prompts for fascinating outcomes like these displayed on your screen. Our journey begins with Mechcore, that transforming ordinary characters into mechanized versions of themselves. For instance, a standard depiction of a woman shifts into an extraordinary mechanized creature, whereas, when applied to Batman, morphing him into a robotic, armored, stronger, and gigantic Titan. It even converges Donald Trump into a fascinating sci-fi-looking character, which seems to be very interesting. A bear becomes a detailed mechanoid, with every closer inspection revealing more mechanical intricacies. Similarly, a cyborg ninja in Mechcore style produces a mech-style warrior, showcasing a unique blend of traditional and futuristic. Graphic novel transforms images into striking comic book art, complete with bold outlines and dramatic shading. Like gaze of a beautiful American woman to the Batman vs. Superman clash sequence, each subject is reinterpreted with a graphic novel's visual flair, revealing the true taste of old-times comic book arty style. Apart from human characters, this style is equally inspiring for the nature scenes. For instance, this magical waterfall or this scary castle on top of a hill gives a unique touch to the art. GTA-inspired Japanese cars and Spanish galleons sailing in the sea are given a new life on the canvas, their stories ready to be told in spectacular art design. Miniature, the art of the microcosm. Dive into the microscopic world of crafted objects with a tiny lens. Starts with the magical waterfall in miniature style is a spectacular creature with so many details. Look at the tiny animals having fun in the waterfall. From modern family houses to futuristic cars, both reveal the ability to draw such tiny objects with so much perfection. Midjourney is the only tool that can create such adorable results. This style celebrates the magic hidden within the forest, with a cute robot exploring nature, transforming Batman into components of fantastical miniature universes, urging you to discover the extraordinary in the ordinary. Moving toward the punks to bring more vibrancy and sci-fi style into the images. The first in the line is Celestial Punk, blending celestial motifs with psychedelic and cyberpunk elements. This style particularly excels with astronaut character prompts, offering a vibrant, intricate tableau that diverges significantly from the default. Yet a sailing ship in an open sea, or an American woman's face, tends to align more closely to a vibrant and shiny tone image style. The raw style introduces a blend of celestial and punk elements, though additional prompt words may dilute its distinctiveness and eventually affect the final generation. Moreover, glow punk is another style from the punk family that is on our list. This style infuses your images with an ethereal glow, creating mesmerizing visuals. For instance, an American girl portrait where her hair glasses, or even skin in some cases, radiates light, surrounded by a captivating contrast of cool and warm glows. The same subtle glow effect for Iron Man too. Benefit from this style is it illuminates the edges softly. A smoke in this case creates an attractive feel. A glowing cruise ship creates an incredible and seamless captivating environment, with a neon-like vibrancy spreading over the water. This magical waterfall in nature cleverly integrates glowing accents into its surroundings, showcasing the unique versatility of this style. Point of view is another adaptable yet powerful style to render your images with enchanting perspectives that bring a personal touch to each scene. Whether it's Pikachu captured as if through a lens or a cute panda snapping a selfie, this style adds a narrative depth inviting viewers into the scene. Batman is seen soaring with a selfie stick. Moreover, these paragliders are depicting real-life examples with this prompt style. This style can achieve a dynamic shift in storytelling,